Why is that important that we go back to the same location?
Hi, my name is Kayla Morgan. I'm from Aniak, Alaska. This is my first GRI and I'm a senior.
My name is Isaac Stewart. I'm a graduate from Mount Edgecombe High School and I'm from Calskag, Alaska.
I'm Jace Rohde and I'm from Bonnie Lake, Washington, and I graduated Chemawa Indian High School, and this is my first GRI.
Hi, my name is Zeke Wise. I'm in the 11th grade and I'm from Calskag, Alaska.
Hi, I'm Shyla Nick. I'm from Aniak, Alaska, and I'm going to be in 11th grade.
Hi, my name is William. I'm from Calskag. I'm a senior and this is my second GRI.
Hi, my name is Jenna. I'm from Aniak, Alaska, and I'm going into the 8th grade.
Hi, my name is Ulrich Aloysius. I'm a senior at Mount Edgecombe High School, and I am from Aniak, Alaska.
Hi, my name is Miranda Peterson. I'm a senior at the Aniak High School, and this is my third GRI, so that kind of makes me a veteran on this trip.
I'm Chelsea Zakar. I am from Crooked Creek, and I am a graduate from Mount Edgecombe High School. This is my third expedition.
Hi, my name is Devin Nook. I am from Lower Calskag. This is my first GRI.
Hi, my name is Alfreda Gregory, and I'm a senior, and I'm from Sleepmead, Alaska, and this is my first GRI.
The quiet but annoying hum of the bugs, the small drops of rain on your tent, and the roar of Kubal snores is how we fall asleep on the GRI. Enjoying the downtime while we have it, because this 10-day adventure is nothing but hard work and a good time. We are here to gather baseline data of this unique river, looking for trends within the two almost identical forks that flow into the main stem of the George River.
Today's weather was partly cloudy, but later in the day got a little sunny. Me and my group did woman and fish depletion. The only problem me and my group had was getting fish in the fish traps. There was like no fish but 2 sculpins. We couldn't solve it. Tomorrow I think we're going to the Muck Island.
Macroinvertebrates are my expertise, and they play an important role in our river.
My team and I worked on microinvertebrates. We used a net and held it in the shallows. 2 of us held the net and 2 of us elutriated in front of the net.
We set it in a shallow stream and elutriate, which is disturbing the ground. Take out the net and take the container and put it in a white tray. We then pick for 30 minutes and put the critters in a small vial and take them for examining. The critters that we get is mayflies, caddisflies, midges, mites, and worms.
It's really actually super cool.
You guys each might want to get a lot of these little mites to do looking everywhere for a little good while.
I have a lot in here, but it looked like there's.
I really enjoyed doing the fish depletion. Fish depletion is basically catching juveniles in multiple traps. So first we gather all materials needed, find the location, then get the traps ready with fish egg bait. Next you would make a boundary with the fish net. Then you would deploy the fish traps in the boundaries. Have them set for a certain amount of time. While that is setting, you could add clove oil to a blue bucket. When the time is over, retrieve each trap, and if there is fish, add them to the buckets. Once they are out for a temporary amount of time, we would get the length and the weight of each. After that, we would set them back into the river and do this again.
Today the weather was more than 50% cloudy. My team worked on the total discharge. We basically set a marker at high terrace, then did the whammy method to mark the other side of the river. We used a measuring tape to measure the distance across the river. Then we used a velocity meter stick to measure how deep the water is. The velocity reader is on the bottom and reads the water flow in certain depths.
The cross-section profile, all of these things is what helps make a good stream keeper, and that person who plays that role is good for the ecosystem.
There were no major problems today. One minor problem was the water was too deep to wade all the way across to record water quality. So we did 6 readings on river left and 6 readings on river right. Tomorrow we will be working on the main stem Springbrook and the main stem Beaver Complex.
Today was another great day. We traveled by boat to Monk Island. I think I enjoyed boating on the George River the best. We had some drone difficulties where the drone was going into the water. Help Mr. Koopal trying to grab it so it wouldn't get wet. It cut one of my fingers. Now I'm sitting by the fire trying to catch up with the data. It is hard being a GRI intern.
I've enjoyed seeing different changes on the George River, gained some knowledge about the ecosystem. My favorite part of this trip is the nice weather and all of the swimming and tan lines. And my favorite science activity was completing the Woolman Public Count. First we measure across the river and divide that into 100 intervals. Then we pick up 100 particles and measure that with the gravelometer. Then we record the size of the particles and graph it.
Okay, so today I'd like to talk about my problem that occurred yesterday, which which was the Riffle Stability Index. And basically, the Riffle Stability Index is where you collect 30 pebble samples among a substrate, and you measure the intermediate axis of every sample you took. But at the beginning, we didn't really know how to do that, me and my group. And so we referred to Dan's U.S. Department of Agriculture handbook, but that was too formal and it was too advanced for any of my group members to understand. And so we reverted to Devin Nook, another intern's experience and mindset of previously doing the Riffle Stability Index, and that helped a lot more. It helped my group a lot more than the protocol. It helped us and eventually helped us get a good grade on that Riffle Stability Index. And it really taught me about how experience outweighs the perception of formality and procedure in any given situation.
Today we went up the East Fork for our final test of the year, one that we have each year at the end of GRI. One of the things that interest me is the data loggers. These are little tiny equipment that measures water pressure, temperature, and water level. We first put these out a year ago. After we located them, we downloaded the data. And we were able to review the data through the past year on Dan's computer.
Ambient pressure, barometric pressure of the river.
I enjoy doing the nightly activity, and I really like being around my friends around the fire.
Opposite hand. Sure, someone else's hand. Somebody else's hand. Somebody else's hand. Somebody.
I have to go through this big knot.
My experience as a rookie has been amazing. I love that this camp not only offers knowledge but also lifelong friendships and memories I'll remember forever.
It's the comfort ride.
Football has yet to ride in my
I've yet to ride with Katie.
Oh, I love riding with Katie.
I've been learning a lot about the ecosystem and all that nature has to offer. I've also created a connection with everyone here. Because of that, I'm very thankful for Excel and all they do.
This one's getting me wet. Get some of that fish stuff, Kayla. Oh yeah.
All right, everybody say gravelometer. Gravelometer.